In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your own web scraping automation from scratch. This process will guide you through selecting the elements you want to extract from a web page, running the scraping task, and finally exporting the data in a format that's useful to you. To begin, first make sure you have the necessary tools installed on your computer. If you're using a software or web service, you'll want to log in or open the application to get started. Once you're set up, the first thing you'll need to do is start a new scraping automation project. This is generally straightforward in most software. Look for an option labeled something like New Project or Create New Scrape. Clicking this will typically open a new project window for us to further configure. Now, let's move on to selecting the elements you want to extract from the web page. This part of the process is where you identify the specific pieces of information you need. Open the web page that contains the data you're interested in. This could be anything from product prices on an e-commerce site to headlines on a news page. You'll want to inspect the page, often using a right-click option in your browser to bring up the Inspect tool. The Inspect feature allows you to see the underlying HTML structure of the web page. Here you can pinpoint the exact elements to extract, which could be specific tags like titles, prices, or images. Most scraping tools offer a point-and-click interface for this task, allowing you to simply highlight the elements directly on the page. Take your time to ensure you select only what you need for your project to avoid pulling in irrelevant data. Once you've finished selecting your elements, it's time to run the scraping task. Go back to your scraping tool and locate the function to execute or run the scrape. This might start off as a test run to verify you're about to scrape the right data. During this process, watch closely to ensure everything runs smoothly with no errors. If you encounter issues, it may point to a need to tweak your element selectors or settings until the desired data is being captured accurately. After confirming that your scrape is working correctly, you can then proceed to export the data. This is typically done with an export or download button, allowing you to save your results in a format of your choice. Common formats include CSV, Excel, or JSON files, which are easy to open and manipulate with data analysis software or spreadsheet tools. Take care to choose the format that best suits your requirements for further data handling. And just like that, you've completed a full cycle of setting up and running a web scraping task, from starting a new project to exporting your data. With some practice, this process will become second nature, allowing you to efficiently gather the data you need for your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy scraping.